Excited ka na bang malaman kung ano ang ating magiging kapalaran sa taong 2027 na Year of the Fire Goat? Isa ka ba sa yayaman o sama-sama lang tayong tatawid at magnanavigate sa susunod na taon? Para sa Year of the Rat, sa taong 2027, the Year of the Rat is one of those who will have the best opportunities, fortune, and success. Ang mga taong ipinanganak sa taong 1948, 1960, 1972, 1984, 1996, 2008, 2020 ay kabilang sa Chinese zodiac na rat. Sinasabing highly fortunate sila lalo na sa panig ng negosyo at trabaho. Magkakaroon din sila ng matalas at magandang intuition at steady wealth growth sa taong 2027 na Year of the Fire Goat na siyang maghahatid sa kanila ng pangakong swerte at tagumpay. Sa taong 2027, rat people will be blessed with sharp insight kung saan ang kanilang angking natural na talino at smart calculated financial choices ay siyang magdadala sa kanila sa tagumpay at yaman na pangako ng taong 2027 para sa kanila. Wealth grows slowly but surely, and career success will be highest during mid to late months of year 2027. Next ay ang Year of the Ox. Ang enerhiya ng Year of the Fire Goat will clash against Ox, kung kaya't mararamdaman mo ang mga harang at medyo hindi masyadong magandang pag-ayon ng taon sa mga hakbang at desisyon mo sa susunod na taon. Upang malampasan mo ang mga pagsubok at hamon na ito, ay kailangan mong maging flexible at kailangan mo ring habaan ang iyong pasensya. The year 2027 will test your emotional strength. Kailangan mong matutong ikontrol ang iyong emosyon, pakalmahin ang damdamin at wastong pamahalaan ang iyong bawat reaksyon. Kapag nakayanan mo ang mga pagsubok na ito, this will lead you to the lighter side of year 2027 and break the walls of negativities upang mapasok mo ang mga positibong bagay na dala ng taon ng Fire Goat. Ox people were born in years 1937, 1949, 1961, 1973, 1985, 1997, 2009, and 2021. Avoid aggressive career expansion or high-risk financial gambles. Habang nasa 2026 pa tayo at maganda pa ang takbo ng taon sa iyo, ay kailangan mo nang maging maingat na magplano upang mapaghandaan ang susunod na taon. Focus on routine task at protektahan mo ang iyong mga existing assets at higit sa lahat ay kailangan mo ring pakahigpitan at matutunan ang tamang pagbabudget. These simple things will have great impact for you to navigate year 2027 well. Number 3 para sa Year of the Tiger. Kung ikaw ay ipinanganak sa taong 2022, 2010, 1998, 1986, 1974, 1962 at 1950, ikaw ay kabilang sa Year of the Tiger. Para sa taong 2027 na Year of the Fire Goat o Sheep, for the year 2027, tiger's bold and aggressive energy will meet the softer, slower rhythm of the year of the fire goat o sheep. Para sa iyong career at negosyo, kailangan mong mag-slow down. The gentle pace of the goat teaches tigers to trade fast, aggressive moves for steady routines. Bigyan mo rin ng tama at masusing atensyon ang mga taong nakapalibot sa iyo at pag-igihan ang focus at tamang balanse at ayos ng mga bagay-bagay na may malaking kinalaman sa iyong negosyo, career at trabaho. It should be well-planned and organized. Ang iyong financial success ay magiging bunga lamang ng tamang pasensya at desisyon rather than quick and impulsive gambles. Activate your 2027 Wealth Star o ang iyong southeast area for wealth to keep your financial energy stable for the year 2027 na year of the fire goat o sheep. Ang ika-4 sa listahan ng Chinese animal zodiac ay ang Year of the Rabbit. Ang mga taong ipinanganak sa taong 2023, 2011, 1999, 1987, 1975, 1963, 1951 at 1939 ay ang mga kabilang sa Chinese zodiac na rabbit. Sila ay magkakaroon ng well-supported year sa year 2027 na year of the fire goat o sheep, since they come along very well with the elements of the goat or sheep. Ibig sabihin, nasa iyong panig ang taon, kung kaya't lahat ng tiyaga at tamang desisyon mo will reap good and positive harvest in year 2027. For those born in the year of the rabbit, the year 2027 o ang year of the fire goat brings healing, emotional renewal, and new start. Because the rabbit and goat share a natural harmony in the zodiac, 2027 offers a supportive and peaceful period, malayo sa stress at mga pinangangambahang harang at sagabal ika nga. Career wealth and relationship initiatives launched in 2027 by rabbit-born occupants will find external receptivity na mahirap mong mahagilap sa mga nagdaang taon. Ang taong 2027 na Year of the Fire Goat will favor for rabbits expansion, visibility, and commitment. At para mas mapakinabangan mo ang magandang pasok ng swerte sa iyo sa year 2027, you need to lay out your plans upang maging tama at handang-handa ka sa launching nito sa susunod na taon, kung kailan nakaayon sa iyo ang magandang takbo ng kapalaran. Iwasan mong maging magulo dahil ang swerteng dala ng taong 2027 only focuses on major and well-prepared and planned goals. The goat provides stability and support for the rabbit, while the rabbit brings creativity and inspiration to the goat. This is favorable relationship for friendship, cooperation, career, and love. In general, ang kapalaran ng rabbit sa Year of the Goat ay maihahantulad sa matingkad at berdeng damuhan sa buong farmland. It's a sign of growth, venture, recognition, and prosperity. Nasa 5th spot ng ating 12 zodiac ang Year of the Dragon, ranked as the overall luckiest sign for 2027 o siyang nakaangkin ng korona ng swerte at yaman para sa taong 2027 na Year of the Fire Goat ang mga taong ipinanganak under the Year of the Dragon, kung saan matatamasa nila ang peak fortune, major financial breakthroughs, and high authority at work. Kinabibilangan ito ng mga taong ipinanganak sa taong 1940, 1952, 1964, 1976, 1988, 2000, 2012, and 2024. The Earth Dragon enters the Fire Goat year of 2027, receiving elemental nourishment, and fire generates Earth in the productive cycle, meaning the year's gentle flame feeds directly into your foundations. 2027 Year of the Goat o Ship will nurture and support the dragon sa mga paraang hindi pamilyar pero masyadong kapaki-pakinabang at magdadala ng swerte at yaman para sa mga taong ipinanganak under the year of the dragon. It encourages you to care for others without needing to lead them, to create beauty without demanding recognition, and to build community without positioning yourself at its center. Ang number 6 reading ay para naman sa Year of the Snake. People born in years 1941, 1953, 1965, 1977, 1989, 2001, 2013, and 2025 ang mga kabilang sa Year of the Snake. The snake contains young fire, young earth, and young metal. Young fire is like the sun, maliwanag, mainit, selfless, ambitious, and hardworking. Ang mga taong ipinanganak sa Year of the Snake ay kilalang wais at may tamang diskarte. The snake is also a traveling star, always on the move, staying busy, and seeking meaningful journeys, at masyado silang magaling sa pagtatago ng tunay na nararamdaman. Sa taong 2027, the goat's earth will help the snake turn ideas and creativity into practical results. Magiging favorable ang taong 2027 for snake to showcase their talents, gain recognition, and achieve career success. Lahat ng iyong efforts will more likely to produce visible and rewarding results sa taong 2027 na Year of the Fire Goat. Walang nakikitang mataas na chance ng job promotion sa iyong career path for year 2027. Pero dahil ang snake ay isang kilalang traveling star, moving or changing your environment can bring good luck and prosperity. The goat's earth energy will bring opportunities to showcase your skills, ideas, and abilities, which will bring you into in-demand position and well-favored status sa taong 2027. Metal ang wealth star ng mga taong ipinanganak under the Year of the Snake, samantalang ang go-to ship have no metal element. Therefore, the Year of the Goat will not bring direct wealth luck or strong financial opportunities to the snake. However, the goat's earth represents the snake's output, meaning your skills and hard work will give you the wealth and income that you need for the Year of the Fire Goat sa taong 2027. This is a year to turn your talents into practical results and build wealth through your own efforts. Nasa number 7 tayo at ito ay ang Year of the Horse. People born in horse years 1942, 1954, 1966, 1978, 1990, 2002, 2014, and 2026. The horse is energetic, adventurous, independent, and quick-witted. It loves freedom and moves quickly. Ito ang enerhiyang taglay ng taon ngayong 2026 na Year of the Fire Horse. Masyadong mapusok ang dalang init sa halos lahat ng bagay. Samantalang ang susunod na taon na Year of the Fire Goat o Ship is gentle, kind, and has a peaceful nature. The flame of the fire goat o sheep sa taong 2027 will not be that fiery red, but rather a gentle and blower flame na tama lamang to ignite necessary heat and strength na kailangan natin for the year 2027. The horse and goat are like good neighbors o kilala silang parehong magaling na manggagawa kung ang mundo ay isang farm. They support and care for each other. The horse brings momentum and confidence to the goat, while the goat helps the horse settle down and turn effort into results. Ang yaman ng taong 2027 para sa mga taong ipinanganak sa Year of the Horse will not be direct dahil sa ang goat o sheep ay walang metal element na siyang sinasabing wealth element ng horse. Pero dahil sa tamang connection at suporta ng goat sa horse, all horse hard work and path will lead him to good income and output. Kung ikaw ay pinanganak under the Year of the Horse, you should focus on steady income at kailangan mong umiwas sa mga impulsive spending in order to build long-term financial growth for year 2027. Nasa 8 zodiac sign na tayo at ito ay ang Year of the Goat o Sheep. The zodiac goat is the 8th animal sign in the Chinese zodiac. Ang mga taong ipinanganak sa taong 1931, 1943, 1955, 1967, 1979, 1991, 2003, 2015 at sa mismong taong 2027 ay kabilang sa Chinese zodiac na goat o sheep. The goat contains the hidden elements of yin earth, yin fire, and yin wood. Yin earth represents fertile flat land. Yin fire symbolizes the warmth and energy of the sun upon the earth. And yin wood represents grass and vegetation. In total, ang mga magagandang element na ito ng goat o sheep will portray the image of a gentle vegetarian animal grazing peacefully on open fields under the sunlight. In short, hanggat sagana tayo sa damo ay hindi tayo magugutom sa taong 2027. At dahil ang kin ng goat ang taong 2027, their elemental traits will also rise. Goat contains yin earth, yin fire, and yin wood na ang ibig sabihin ay meron silang tamang endurance na bigay ng yin earth, akmang kaalaman at enthusiasm dahil sa kanilang yin fire at saktong galing at creativity kasabay ng kanilang kabutihan na siyang bigay naman sa kanila ng yin wood element. As a result, many goats will succeed in careers that blend creativity, knowledge, and service to others, especially when they can work in a supportive and harmonious environment rather than a highly confrontational one. Ang number 9 ay ang Year of the Monkey. Babagay sa kanila ang very energetic and opportunistic energy na dala ng fire goat o red ram kung kaya't isa sila sa sinasabing pinakamaswerte sa taong 2027 na Year of the Fire Goat. Mapalad sila sa anumang aspeto ng pera at magkakaroon ng quick financial gains. Ang taglay din nilang talino at talent ay mas aangat at magkakaroon sila ng matagumpay na innovations at new leadership chances. Kabilang sa Year of the Monkey ang mga taong ipinanganak sa years 2016, 2004, 1992, 1980, 1968, 1956, and 1944. The monkey is like a strong autumn wind, moving swiftly and freely across the goat's fertile farmland. Meaning, may tamang kalayaan ang mga monkey to have a smooth progress in career and financial pursuit na magbibigay sa kanila ng napakaraming magagandang opportunities for success throughout the goat cycle. Nasa number 10 na tayo at ito ay ang Year of the Rooster. 1933, 1945, 1957, 1969, 1981, 1993, 2005, and 2017. When the rooster meets the goat, it is like ripe fruit ready for harvest in late summer. Ibig sabihin, kung ikaw ay ipinanganak under the year of the rooster, ang iyong financial growth, income at yaman will only be achieved kung ito ay bibigyan mo ng tamang oras, panahon at akmang desisyon. Kailangang ma-harvest mo lahat ng bunga bago pa ito masira at lumipas sa tama at magandang oras at pagkakataon. Financial pressure is possible for year 2027, kaya kailangan mo nang matutong mag-budget at higpitan ang paghahawak ng iyong mga finances. Ipagpaliban ang pagbili ng mga mamahalin at hindi mo kailangan o unnecessary purchases dahil magiging malaki ang impact nito sa iyong kabuhayan sa susunod na taon ng Fire Goat sa year 2027. Growth is steady but not dramatic. Keep learning at your own pace. This will help you reap good fruits para sa susunod na taon. The 11th spot ay ang Year of the Dog para sa mga ipinanganak sa 1934, 1946, 1958, 1970, 1982, 1994, 2006, and 2018. Ang zodiac reading na ito. Kung ikaw ay ipinanganak under the Year of the Dog, the year 2027 will be a year for your emotional strength and career reset. Dogs will experience healing and new directions. Sa usaping pera at yaman naman, money may fluctuate early in the year 2027. Kaya huwag mong kalimutang maghanda at mag-ipon para may extra ka lalo na sa pagpasok ng taong 2027 na Year of the Fire Goat sa February 6, 2027. Pero huwag mabahala dahil ang enerhiya ng Fire Goat o Ship ay magdadala ng tamang opportunities na magbubukas para sa iyo sa mga huling quarter o buwan ng taong 2027. And the last but not the least ay ang Year of the Pig. Kung ikaw ay ipinanganak sa taong 1935, 1947, 1959, 1971, 1983, 1995, 2007, and 2019, ikaw ay kabilang sa Year of the Pig ng Chinese Animal Zodiac. The pig is like a river in winter para sa Year of the Fire Goat sa taong 2027. Steady, wise, and quietly powerful. Taglay ng pigs ang tamang talino at adaptability, kaya hindi sila mahihirapang i-navigate ang taong 2027 na Year of the Fire Goat. The pig and goat form a compatible and harmonious relationship, especially through their wood connection. Ang taglay na enerhiya ng pig na yang water at ang goat's yin fire create a strong attraction. Samantalang ang yang wood ng pig at ang yin earth ng goat will form another supportive and strong connection. Overall, 2027 Year of the Fire Goat will bring financial opportunities through cooperation and supportive connections para sa mga taong ipinanganak under the Year of the Pig. The pig's hard work, reliability, and good reputation can lead to steady income growth. With careful money management, 2027 will be a favorable period for building long-term wealth para sa mga taong ipinanganak under the Year of the Pig.